On Thursday, July 5th, 2018, I went down to the Cherry Festival to volunteer. I got there about 8:30 in the morning and left about 1 or 1:30 Friday morning. When I got up Friday and looked at my vehicle, I saw this big dent in the hood. I contacted Chris Hall at Travese Collision, as well as my insurance company, State Farm. Together they worked to help me get my car back to its original glory. And because of State Farm's policy that I had to pay no deductible. It cost over $1,700 to get my car back to the original condition. And thanks to the work from State Farm and of course Chris Hall at Travese Collision, my car looks great again.